Alternative to the T command without stout. I'm using vertical bar sudo t file name to be able to write or append to a file for which superuser permissions are required quite often. Although I understand why it is helpful in some situation that T also sends its input to stout again, I never ever actually use that part of T for anything useful. In most situations, this feature only causes my screen to be filled with unwanted jitter, if I don't go the extra step and manually silence it with T1 and gt/dev/null. My question is, there is a command around which does exactly the same thing as T, but does by default not output anything to stout?
Another option that avoids piping the stuff back and then to /dev/0 is
the DD solution still prints jump to stir. That can be avoided using the status option. Another interesting possibility, for Linux anyway. To copy T input into a file, I often do this. It's too bad T doesn't have an option to suppress stout.
You could use a script, i.e. put something like this in ie $home/bin/st0t or similar. Make it executable. $chlag 755st. Now do ie $ls sta/root/foo.
I would add a sponge as an alternative. On Ubuntu or other Debian-based distributions, you can install it with sudo apt install y-more-utils. Please note that there are some differences compared to T about which you can read more here and here. Unlike a shell redirect, Sponge soaks up all its input before writing the output file. This allows constructing pipelines that read from and write to the same file. This difference is actually an advantage for my typical use cases.